In today's video, I will walk you through how to use WaterC Flat Big Grain Tilt in Krita. Create a new canvas, then select the Brush tool by pressing B. Open the Brush Presets docker, search for WaterC Flat Big Grain Tilt, and select the brush. Choose your foreground color, then adjust the brush size using the bracket shortcut keys or the size slider. Start painting with light pressure to create soft watercolor strokes with visible grain texture. Use different pen angles and tilt movements to change the shape and texture of your brush marks. Increase the pressure to create darker colors and stronger textured strokes. Apply multiple strokes to gradually build up the color and grain effect. Use the color picker by holding Control to sample nearby colors and continue painting for smoother color transitions. Adjust the brush opacity or flow if you want lighter and softer effects. WaterC Flat Big Grain Tilt is perfect when you want watercolor strokes with strong texture and natural brush variation. It is great for adding depth and a traditional painted feel to your artwork. This brush is useful for watercolor illustrations, textured backgrounds, landscapes, foliage, and adding detailed grain effects to painted areas. And that's how to use WaterC Flat Big Grain Tilt in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.